Okay, welcome to challenge number 1 of costing. I'm going to put a question here up on the screen. Pause the video and budget yourself 2 minutes, and then resume the video and we're going to walk through the answers. So here comes the question. All right, welcome back. One of the things I like to do with questions first is try to extract what we're really asking here. So I think there's a couple different points here. Number one, we're being asked to reduce costs, but we can't compromise the durability or integrity of the application. So those are kind of our bounds. So I'm going to start going through the answers here in no particular order. I'm going to kind of jump around just because that's what I feel like today. So option number A says, set up CloudTrail to collect usage logs to determine which instances can be scaled back. Well, the problem with this one is CloudTrail is a tool that monitors API access. CloudWatch is a tool that can collect machine statistics. So CloudTrail is the wrong tool here. So I can eliminate this one. Let's go to C. We can migrate an EC2-based DB2 database to RDS. Well, DB2 is not one of the supported database types for RDS, so we can really quickly eliminate that one. And just for kicks, let's go down to G. We can purchase a dedicated instance for those applications that are going to continue to be part of our roadmap for the next year. The question didn't say that we needed dedicated instances, so I can't assume that. And plus, dedicated instances do incur a premium price over regular instances. So I think I can safely eliminate this one. We'll go back up to B. We can configure our website's auto scaling group to use spot instances rather than on-demand instances. Well, this one sounds troublesome to me because if we just use spot instances in our auto scaling group, then it's likely that maybe the price of spot instances rises high enough to not allow us to scale. And so that could cause a problem for our durability or integrity. So a better option might be that we can use a certain number of reserved instances and then scale with spot. So I can eliminate this option. Option D says create a EBS snapshot lifecycle process to delete outdated snapshots. And yeah, that's a really good idea because that's one of the things that could incur cost is I have old snapshots out there that I don't need anymore. And so by purging those out, if I don't need them, I'm going to save some money that way. Option E says use S3's lifecycle feature to transition infrequently accessed data to different storage classes. And yeah, I think that's a good idea. And one thing to note here is that just by transitioning to a different storage class, we don't affect the durability of the data. It's still the same durability, whether it's in standard or infrequent accessed, for example. Option F says we're going to consolidate some small RDS instances into a larger RDS instance. Well, this may save some money, or it may not. We don't really know here. We don't have enough information to say that. And just provisioning something larger and putting smaller databases into it is not instantly going to save us money. So I'm going to eliminate that one. So the two options that I think sound most reasonable are D and E.